Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texts to your design on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in new.express.adobe.com and press enter. You may also use the Adobe Express application if you have it installed on your system. Once you are taken into your dashboard, after you log into your account, you will see various different designs that you can start making right away. After you choose your design that you wish to make, you will be taken into the edit page. You can start from a template and then make your edits within this. If you wish to add your own text, then within the left section you will see the text option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the various different styles that are available for your text. After choosing your desired style, it will appear within your design right away. And now you can double click on this and make your desired edits within your designs. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add text within your design on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.